And just to let you guys know, there will be some what was I gonna say? There will be some behind the scenes of the cast of the short film, which is mostly going to be probably me and different characters. But I'll give you a little film description of what the short film is gonna be about. It's about this girl named Emily Coleman. She is 14 or 16 years old. She goes to normal high school, and she's a teenage spy. No one knows what she is. She's a teenage spy. But the point is something different. She's a teenage spy in high school with a little special secret. And she just wants to be a normal girl in school, which she can be. It can happen, and it's sometimes hard for her. But she gets this call from the man of the counseling of the whole state. Mostly her common helper, her assistant and stuff, because she's rich. So she gets a call saying that something's going on and she has to investigate the school to see what's going on, to see who is selling illegal stuff at school. And she finds out that her boyfriend is selling illegal things for the kids at school, and she talks to him, lets him know, don't sell illegal things to children anymore. It's gonna be real. Wait, hold on. I need to put my phone here. It's gonna be real good. It's gonna be real good. The movie is not rated anything. It is just TV 14 for 14 people. You can watch it on YouTube because it will be posted on YouTube. I'm not sure how long the short film will last. However long my camera can go. Doesn't matter. But I will be using different costumes and stuff. So see you tomorrow for the actual trailer of The Secret of Emily Coleman, Living the High School Dream is what it's called. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the trailer, and see you Thursday for the actual short film. Make sure that you are prepared, because Emily Coleman is coming to your film. Bye!